right? So this page gives you access to use your mobile number to sign up directly. That is very, very simple. And once you are done inputting the number, just click on this red guy. You can see that a code has been sent directly to this number. So what you want to do next is to get this code, and once you get it, then you will input it directly and it will sign you in as a matter of time. Let me just input the code now. So you will see that it will log me in directly. It's as very simple as this. Hello, beautiful set of people. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time of seeing a video like this is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and my name is Samuel Joshua. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can sign up a Pinduoduo account without having anything to do with WeChat at all. Yes, it's very much possible, right? So if this really sounds like what you are really interested in, do me a favor by subscribing to our YouTube channel to join our community. Here we are like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation, business, arbitrage, how you can make money online, right? So just smash that subscription button, like it, and also share it, right? So in my previous tutorial, I've recorded a video on how you can create a Pinduoduo account without having anything to do with WeChat at all, right? But it is on a web version, right? So I now wanted to practicalize it on the app itself. We all know that this is the app, right? If I'm to click on this guy, we are all familiar. This is a new account. This is from Pinduoduo logo. You can see that I'm presently launching this app for the very first time, and it requires me to sign in, right? Which is what we are going to be seeing each time we want to log in, right? Or we want to create an account. Now, to create an account and sign up with this guy is very, very much simple and easy, which I'm going to be showing you now. Now, as a default, we can always use this WeChat method, but maybe during the process when you are trying to create a WeChat account, it's not telling you to bind your WeChat account with this idle fish. Maybe during the process you are trying to register your WeChat account, it's not asking you for people and nobody to scan your QR code for you. As a matter of fact, you reach out to some coach, they are charging you for QR code scanning. Lucky enough, I'm not saying it's not going to work. There are some people that when they do it for the very first time, it will just sign them in directly, like it will not even ask for any QR code. But in some other hands, it will ask for QR code. Maybe this is just a barrier that makes you really looks down, that you cannot create, that makes you not to be able to create a WeChat account. So you are now finding the best alternative to have a Pinduoduo account. Yes, the video is right here. So now I'm going to be showing you, instead of us to use this WeChat account, right? Although I've already created a video on how you can set up a WeChat account without asking for QR code. That video, I'm going to be leaving it under the description button of this tutorial. So after this tutorial, you can do well to watch it. So now, what do we do here if you don't want to use our WeChat to log in? It's very simple. What you want to do here is just to follow this method here. You are going to click on this blue icon here. Once you click on it, it will load up and takes you to this page, right? So this page gives you access to use your mobile number to sign up directly. That is very, very simple, right? So now by default is in China. You can see it here. So how do you change it to your country number here? It's very, very simple. You will just come to this guy here, right? So once you come to that guy there, you click on it. Once you click on it here, it will load up the numbers that is available for registration. You can see we have different numbers, different countries number here, right? So I'm going to look for a number here. I'm going to be using my United States of America number, which is this guy here. So once I'm done with this, then I will input the number that I want to use for my registration. It's not a must you use a United States number like I've told you before now, because we have different numbers that you can use there. However, if you find all your country numbers there and your country numbers are not listed there and you still want to register this guy, this is like this is not a reason for you to panic. I can help you get a number that you can use, and a code will be sent to the number, and once I receive it, I will get it across to you directly. But please note, don't come to my DM. It's not for free, right? Because this is a number that I also paid for. But if you have someone there in abroad that you can use their number, maybe your relative, your nephew, your uncle, your cousin, you can do what to contact them, of course. Yes. Once they give you, just input the number here. And once you are done inputting the number, just click on this red guy here to proceed with your registration. So once you click on it, a code will be sent. You can see that a code has been sent directly to this number. So what you want to do next is to get this code, and once you get it, then you will input it directly and it will sign you in as a matter of time, right? So now let me just wait for this code to arrive now. So while I wait, like I've told you before now, I can help you register this thing. And if you are finding it difficult or you want to do it yourself, I've recorded a video on how you can do it, right? So let me just wait for this. Okay, I think I got the code here. So let me just input the code right here. And okay, so once I input the code now, so let me just input the code now. So you will see that it will log me in directly. It's as very simple as this. I have my Pinduoduo account ready within 5 minutes. So now I can now browse anything, I can buy anything, I can do anything. If I want to buy this AirPod now, I can click on it. Then if I'm to like it, I can go ahead to make a purchase and do anything that I want to do. Right, this is a new account, you can see it here. So you can reach out to me if you want me to help you set up an account like this that will not give you any issues at all. Without you binding your Alipay, you can also make a purchase. I think I have the complete course on how you can do this thing, which includes how you can use pay for me, how you can know a fake suppliers, and things you want to know about this Pinduoduo from A to Z, right? So it is very simple as what you just seen on the screen right now. And I hope you find value in watching this very tutorial today. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial today. And I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can set up your WeChat account without a QR code. So if you are lucky enough, you can set up the account, go and watch the video, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.